Hi again. We are in the end of the hour 7730. We have a lab that is working with application control. Let's learn some few tricks before we will continue. Okay. Hey, first of all, we have revision control. What is revision control? If something went wrong with our configuration, we can restore the database of the policy to the last known good revision of the database. So let's do it done. Let's name it. We can say FW plus AV plus app control working. Now, if I will do a mistake, I will put some object that is wrong. I will delete some object. I will configure something not good. I can come back here. When it's done, I will see it here in the line and I can do restore. And lots of time, it's very helpful when we have a big problem. We don't know what went wrong. We just do restore, install, and continue. Next thing, let's go again. No, not this one. Not this one. This one, we can go to here. Action, we can view it. It will open a new dashboard on read-only, and we can do restore. Another thing we want to know, we want to be sure the log, create new log. I don't want to be, I don't want the logs will be very big. So I will, let's say, limit it to 250 mega, and I will schedule rotate every midnight. Because when you open the smart log, it needs to read 250 mega. It will take a lot of time. Now, I want to be sure that my disk will not be full. Because we use index, you can make it bigger here. It will keep 25% and we start delete old logs. The index, 1 minute. The index, I will show the index in few more seconds. The smart logs show what's happening right now. You can see drop right now, but if you want older logs, you need to open files. The index is show you all the logs in one view. Let's see it. Smart log. In an environment with lots of logs, you can't see all of them here, and you will have to open. How is it here? This is different than I know. I have to look for it. Maybe it's from here. You will have to open all the log files. I can see it from here. Never mind, the index, if you look for, let's say, it will show you the result from many files, not only one file. Okay, let's see what else can we do. We want, after we will do install, after it, we will backup the policy. and the gateway. If something happened, we can restore it from the beginning. So the best way to backup the gateway is to know the clish command. So I will open SSH. Okay. Now I will do clish -c show configuration. You can copy all of it, but we will do few more commands. cp info -y it's the version. We can do also install Jumbo. We can see the hotfix. I like to know the MAC address of the interface and the routing table. Imagine there is a firewall with lots of interfaces and subnet, not only this slot is very small, very tiny. But okay. So I have this. If it's a cluster, I want to know if it's the active or standby, that this is not a cluster. Okay, so we copy all of it, copy all to clipboard. I open the plus plus and I paste it. If I want to install new machine, I have all the information. I can install R7730, I can install the hotfix, and then start copy and paste the commands. I don't use to copy the default commands, only the special. So I just copy and paste it to a new one. But this is for the gateway only. For the management, we have two backups. First of all, we have complete backup on the firewall, backup local, and then we need to go to the portal and to export the backup. It's backup everything, the gateway and the management as a whole, but this backup is very limited because if the restore is first you need to install 7730 and then the hotfix and then to restore the backup. And if something wrong, it will not restore. That's why I'm doing another backup. Yes, sorry, stop. It's still working. The next backup is to export only the policy. I will install new one. I will configure the gateway with the clish command, and then I will do import. I think this one is better, but I can do it also only when the backup is complete. So I will stop. Okay, the backup is complete. So I will go back to the expert and will do. I will do. Okay. This one will export only the policy, all the objects and everything. And then I can install new machine, configure the clish command, and do the import. That's it for now. This is the basic management for Checkpoint